In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning curved text using CapCut. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting, mastering this feature can add flair and originality to your projects. So let's dive in and transform your text into a captivating visual element. First, let's begin by adding your text to the timeline. This step sets the foundation for everything that follows. So make sure you've carefully selected the text you want to work with. Type in your message, choose your font, and size it appropriately, placing it exactly where you want it to appear in your video. This is your creative space, so don't hesitate to experiment a little to find what fits best. Now let's head over to the right panel of the screen. Here, you'll find various options that you can use to enhance your text. For our purpose today, look for the curve toggle. Enabling this function is the key step that unlocks the ability to add stunning, visually curved text effects to your clips. Activating the curve toggle essentially prepares the text, allowing you to mold it into dynamic arcs that can accentuate different parts of your footage. With the curve toggle activated, it's time to adjust the arc slider. This is where you can let your creativity truly shine. The arc slider allows you to bend the text either upward or downward, creating a curve that follows the flow of your video. Drag the slider slowly and observe how your text begins to transform, either arching gracefully upwards or swooping stylishly downwards. Take your time to play with the degree of the curve until you find the perfect arc that complements your visual story. This subtle adjustment can make a significant difference in how your text integrates into your overall design. As you explore these steps, remember that the key to creating an engaging video is balance and context. While adding this curved text effect, consider how it aligns with the tone and message of your video. Subtle curves can add elegance, whereas steep arcs might convey energy and excitement. Also keep an eye on text readability. While a dramatic curve might look appealing, ensure that your audience can still easily read the text. Adjust the font size, or spacing if needed, to maintain clarity. By following these simple yet effective steps, you can easily elevate your video content using curved text in CapCut. It's a powerful way to add personality and style to your projects. So take these tools, get creative, and see how a little curve can bring your text to life. Thank you for watching, and I hope these insights help you in your future editing endeavors.